mobile traffic has been crazy last month. It actually went up by 7%, and that's a lot, guys. Now, the winners in verticals has been the iGaming with a rise of 11% in Brazil, Mexico, Russia, Japan, India and Vietnam. While the absolute winner has been the utilities with a rise of 15% in USA, Saudi Arabia, India and Indonesia.
To best describe the previous month in 2 words, I'd have to say consistent growth. In terms of push notifications, it happened across all the platforms. Android users had the upper hand here with 95% of the traffic. The vertical with biggest percent of the growth was by far e-commerce. It went through the roof with 20% spike, which is not a big surprise for the best spending month of the year. The top growing GEOs here were India, Indonesia, Colombia, Brazil and Italy.
Sporting events ruled the iGaming hikes in November. I mean, we had La Liga and Champions League matches. Add to these larger advertising budgets that we saw particularly in Asia, and we hit the trifecta. As for e-commerce, I guess it shouldn't surprise anyone. We had seasonal sales, promotions, Black Friday, Cyber Monday at the end of November, so that was pretty much given.